Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of Monster Truck Madness at the Miller. We got 6-wheel Monster Truck edition coming at you on our brand new custom curve track. All right, these monster trucks are going to be racing against each other. There's 5 trucks in total. You want to get a closer look at them? All right, first up we got Tiger Shark 6-wheel edition. Looking sharp. The orange wheels. Mega Rex 6-wheel edition. Very nice. Blue wheels. Rhino-Mite. Ready. Look at the solid construction on these babies. Let's see who this one is. This is Cage Rattler. It's a nice snake. Looking great. And this one is Loco Punk with tow truck. These guys are ready to race. Who do you think's gonna win, Marks?
I hope Snake one on Rhino-Mite.
Cage Rattler or Rhino-Mite are Marks's favorites. I think Rhino-Mite's pretty good. He's been racing pretty strong on this track. For the first race, we have Cage Rattler. Mega Rex?
If they make it, they move on.
If Mega Rex can finish the track, then he's moving on because we have an odd number truck. So that's just, he got the luck of the draw. Let's go, Mega Rex. Oh yeah, no problem. Moving on. Next race. Who's up?
Perfect.
All right. So the first head-to-head race we have Cage Rattler versus Tiger Shark. Tiger Shark won. Next race, Loco Punk versus Rhino-Mite. Rhino-Mite won. Both of those trucks were on the inside track, so we'll keep an eye on that. See if that inside track keeps winning, or if maybe an outside track can get a win here. All right, we got our final racers. Mega Rex versus Tiger Shark, first race. Whoever wins 2 is gonna be our champion. Mega Rex with the win. That's on the inside track again. That's 3 for 3 races. Inside track has won. What do you think about that? Yeah. Might be a little bit shorter. Rhino-Mite pulls it off on the inside track. All right, are you giving Rhino-Mite the inside track or the outside track? Outside track it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh, Rhino-Mite crashed and Tiger Shark finishes on the inside track. All right, can Tiger Shark eliminate Mega Rex and become champion of the 6-wheel Monster Truck Curve Track Challenge?
Perfect.
Oh, and Mega Rex finishes. Tiger Shark got stuck. was a close race. We need somebody to win on the outside and become champion. Oh, and Rhinomite has done it. He is our champion of Monster Truck Madness at the Millers 6-wheel Monster Truck Edition. Let's take a look at the champion one more time. Rhinomite, looking good. All right, gonna add a bonus race. Megarex wins the first race. Oh, Megarex wins on the outside track. He is second place. Nice work today. Thanks for watching, everybody. All right, and there we have it. Our finishers: Rhinomite, Megarex, and Tiger Shark. See you next time.
Subscribe and give us a couple likes. Bye.